Good afternoon, class 2nd students. This is your science book, page number 73, and we were reading your chapter 7, human safety. Now we will learn about the rules which we should follow at home. First, do not play with matchsticks or any other firework. We should not play with matchsticks. Matchsticks means matches, and any other firework. We should not play with them. Second, do not touch any electric switch with wet hands. We should not touch any electric switch with wet hands. मतलब गीले हाथों से हमें कोई भी electric switch, we should not touch them. Like she is touching, we should not do this. Now point 3, always wear rubber slippers when you switch on or off an electric gadget. Full stop. When we switch any button which on or off, we should always wear rubber slippers. Fourth point, do not play with sharp objects like blades, scissors or knife. Full stop. We should not play like these sharp objects which are blades, scissors and knife. We can cut ourselves. You can see we should not do this. Fifth point, do not play with broken toys or brass water wares. Full stop. It might hurt you. Full stop. We should not broke. हमें तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए कोई toys or any glass wares. glass की कोई चीज़ है. It might hurt you. It can cut your finger and it can hurt you. So we should not do this. Now first aid. If we get any injury, so what should we do? It is the immediate treatment given when a person gets hurt or injured before the arrival. Repeat this word, arrival. ARRIVAL, arrival of doctor. So when immediate, IMMEDIATE, immediate. treatment, TREATMENT, treatment. So हमें जल्दी से treatment देना. immediate means जल्दी से. we should give treatment when the person is hurt. अगर उसको चोट लग जाती है, so we should give them immediate treatment. कोई ना कोई treatment देना चाहिए before arrival doctor के आने से पहले. First aid may be different for different injuries. Full stop. General tips are given below. So when we give some first aid means to give some medicine or some tube when we are hurt. So it can be different for different injuries. अलग अलग चोट के लिए it can be different first aid. Point 1, in case a person gets hurt, cover it with cotton and bandage his wound, 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 tightly, 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 to stop the blood. Full stop. When the person get hurt, जब person को चोट लग जाती है, what we should do? We should cover it with cotton. हमें cotton से cover करना चाहिए, and with bandage, और उसको टाइट से वूंड पे जहाँ चोट लगी उसको टाइट से हमें बांध देना चाहिए. टू स्टॉप ब्लड, ताकि ब्लड बहना रुक जाए. नंबर पॉइंट 2, सपोज यू टच अ हॉट पैन. फुल स्टॉप. immediately, IMMEDIATELY, immediately put your hand under water and then apply an ointment, OINTMENT, ointment. Full stop. जब हमारे हाथ जल जाता है, अगर हमने गलती से हॉट पैन को टच कर लिया, so what we have to do? We have to immediately, मतलब जल्दी से, we have to put our hand under the water like he is doing, and we should apply an ointment. Ointment means जो burning cream होती है वो लगानी चाहिए. Third, in case the wound or burn is severe, कॉल फॉर अ डॉक्टर, फुल स्टॉप। अगर हमें चोट लगी है और हमारा हाथ बहुत ज़्यादा जल गया है, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू कॉल फॉर अ डॉक्टर। हमें जल्दी से डॉक्टर को कॉल करना चाहिए और उसके पास जाना चाहिए। So this was your chapter, human safety. Read it again and read it first aid, all the treatment which is given in this. Read it again and we will continue your exercise in your next video. Thank you.